Code is a superpower once reserved for developers. I've been on both sides of that line my whole career. And for most of the people I teach, that black terminal screen was always somebody else's job. You know the feeling. You have the idea. You can describe exactly what you want, and then you wait in line for someone who can actually read that screen full of text and build it for you. The power to change the software lived on the other side of the wall, and nobody handed you the key. Here's what I love about this moment, and I mean it exactly. The black screen speaks English now. The superpower just got handed to the rest of us. So today I'm giving you a quick tour of Claude Code and the 8 features that actually matter. And by the end, you can build a real web page with your own name on it using nothing but plain sentences. Feature 1. You type plain English and Claude Code creates and edits real files on your computer. Not a chat answer you copy somewhere, actual files saved in your folder ready to open. And for a change, that same plain English can edit them. The gap between describing a thing and having the thing is now one sentence. Now, feature 2. It can actually run terminal commands for you. For decades, the price of entry was memorizing them. Claude Code pays that price for you. Say what you want done, and it can run the command itself. You never have to memorize syntax again. You supervise in English while it operates the machine. So hold on to this. Claude is not a coding tool that accepts English. It's an English tool that produces code. Feature 3. Most AI chats will forget you the moment you close them. Claude Code has a plain text file called CLAUDE.md, and it reads every time it starts. Write down what your project is and how you want things done, and from then on, it knows your project in every session. Without it, you keep repeating yourself. But remember the Goldilocks syndrome. Too little, not good. Too much, not good. Make it just right. Feature 4. Skills. Reusable instructions you save once and call by name. Teach it your weekly report format one time, and one short request runs the whole recipe forever after. Your best instructions stop being one-time efforts. They become a library you own. Feature 5. It works in the background. Give it a long task, go walk your dog, and come back to finish work. A chat waits for you to type. Code does not wait. This is the moment it stops feeling like a tool and starts feeling like a colleague. Feature 6. Slash commands. One short command triggers a whole workflow you set up once. If you give the same 3 instructions every Monday, that slash command, waiting for it to be made. Type it once and the whole Monday routine runs. Save your skills as a command, and they are on demand. Feature 7. When it hits something it does not know, it searches the web and reads the documentation on its own. It's not frozen in time. It goes and looks things up like a good analyst would. I like to point it to actual academic and business frameworks that it can look up and learn from. And now for feature 8, my favorite. Just give it a screenshot of a page or an error or anything you need. It'll figure out the layout, the colors, the feel, the problem. The design skill you thought you lacked turns out to be the ability to point at something and say, I like that. So that's the tour. We're going to continue on with 8 more in the next micro session. But for a full map, go on and read Anthropic's official Claude Code documentation. They are the best practices on how to use their tool. So here's your challenge for today. Just spend 15 minutes, and this is real, not practice. Create a free GitHub account. It takes 2 minutes, and you'll use it for everything we build from here on. Open up Claude Code and ask it in plain English to build a 1-page website about you, your name, and a few lines about what you do, maybe your picture, something you're learning. Open the file in your browser and look at your page. Then put it in one single page, a markdown PDF or HTML file that you can go and upload into your AI buddy. Submit that page, and that's how you'll get credit for today. So for decades, that black terminal screen was a wall between you and the machine. Business people on one side, programmers on the other. Today, you walk through it with a sentence. And when your own name loads in that browser, notice what you feel. That's the wall coming down. The terminal was never the barrier. The belief that it was for programmers was. So go on and build your page.